Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at something a bit different. Today we are taking a look at Starfield. So I managed to get me a Constellation Edition. So this is like the special super limited edition version of the game for the Xbox Series X and S. Comes with a steelbook plus digital game. So as you see here, as it says, game download only, no disc included. This is just kind of how the box looks. So it's not very big. On the top we have the Alpha Centauri, which is a solar system. Just a picture of it, catalog ID, temperature, mass. On the side we have Chronomark. On the bottom we have Life Pack Interlink LP version 6.0. As you see there, and on the other side, another Chronomark. And on the back is what the game comes with. So, like I mentioned, there is no physical game, but it comes with a digital download code, steelbook display case, comes with the cool Chronomark watch, which is like a smartwatch, the watch case, a patch, and you get some additional DLC accessories for the game, of course, Series X, single player, 4K, HDR, all that fun stuff, and of course you get it on Windows. So that's really it for the box, so let's open this bad boy up. We have the wonder is not the field of stars is so vast, but man has measured it. And the guardian of the Epicurus. I guess all in-game lore, so that's just what I was reading there. And then there's the logo. And just kind of the same stuff replicated on these sides. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So once again, I expected it to be a lot more bigger. So the last Bethesda game I got was Fallout 4. I got the Pip-Boy edition, which was really cool, and Pip-Boy was really big. But we get the premium edition, so this is just a steel case. Here's our. It's actually pretty heavy. What is this again? This is the digital download code. So I don't know how I'm gonna. Yeah, I don't know. It has in-game currency and all this stuff. It's like a probably lore from the game itself, and I probably will be able to download the game from this, I guess. I don't know, we'll figure it out. So that's there, and just, you know, your standard in-game manual. So there you go, my game code's going to be there. By the time you guys see this, game code's going to be gone anyway, so haha. And if we take this guy out, there's nothing else in this box, so we'll be putting that away. And this is our little watch carrying case. So it actually feels pretty nice. Looks pretty cool. And pull, you just pull or rotate, so that's cool. It unlocks, and then lift it up. There's our watch, there's our patch, and there's our watch strap. So I don't know, it comes with a silicone patch, so very reminiscent of, like, if you have an Apple Watch, it looks like an Apple Watch standard silicone patch. And around we have 2 buttons on the right side, 2 buttons on the left side, round screen, and let's see if it has some juice. I actually don't know what like OS or anything is running on this, to be honest with you. Not powering on. Yeah, it's not powering on. This is the, let's just check the back. So that's the back of it. Fall into Starfield, so nothing important back there, just a part number. Put that to the side. And the remainder is the patch. So it's just literally a patch that you could put on like a pouch, hat, whatever. Chrono mark. So another little lure. The charger for the watch. So pretty cheap looking watch charger. Uses micro USB, so no USB-C. You get your micro USB cable in there. I have tons of those, so I don't need to do anything. And of course, you get an additional Velcro. It feels like Velcro. I don't know the right name of the material, but it's a one-piece band for this one. So, yep. And that's basically it. So I'll charge it and power it on, but for reference, I have a Apple Watch Series 7, so that's how they look together. I would say about the same size, slightly larger, but it's also because it's round instead of square. So like you have these extra buttons which make it a little bit bigger, but screen size is probably the same, 42 millimeters. See, it's like nearly the same material as the Apple Watch. And yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if this is running like some sort of Android or Google Watch OS that just has a Starfield skin to it. But we'll charge it up and take a look at that. But yeah, that's it for now. So we'll come back once that's charged. Cool. So looks like we got the watch working. I guess. Let's see. I guess this isn't even an Android OS. I don't know why I was thinking it was. Yeah, it's a Chrono Mark smartwatch. So it's cool. It is what it is. It's like a novelty thing. You have music control, sensor graphs, torch, settings, notifications, moon phase. Oops, sorry if you guys aren't seeing that. Weather, music control. So there you go. Pretty basic. You go up and down here, and then this is for time. Switch your watch faces to bottom right, and then the top right is to enter. So torch, if you want torch, it's a flashlight, obviously. Sensor graphs. You know, very Starfield lore. No new notifications. I don't have it connected to anything. Music control. No Bluetooth, so you're gonna have to connect via Bluetooth, obviously. Weather. So you're gonna have to scan an app to get your weather working. But yeah, you know, it is what it is. Cable was short, so cable's super short. It's like not that long. So I'm just using a portable charger, and the way it charges is there's two little nubs that make contact. Here, boop, and it vibrates when it charges. But yeah, that's it for the watch. Looks cool, so yeah. Alrighty guys, and that's it for the Starfield Collector Premium Edition unboxing. So if you guys found this interesting or whatever, leave a comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe, that's always useful. Any questions, comments, concerns, also leave them. I'll try my best to answer them. And yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see y'all in the next video. See you. I can't fall to sleep, my mind just keeps